Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fatih Ali Safin from Bachelor of Informatic Engineering, Muhammadiyah University, Magelang. On this occasion, I will present the result of our research entitled Administrative Data Archiving of the Legal Division of Regional Settled in Magelang City based on document taking. Proposed concept. With the document taking proposed concept, with the composition of the author, namely Afin as the first author, Ardin Primadewi as the second author, and corresponding author Endah Ratna Arumi as the third author. Background the problem. The Office of the Legal Section of the Secretariat of the Regional Government of Magelang City, Seda Kota Magelang, as our sub-coordinator for managing litter which have their respective main tasks and function to OXI, namely 1. Sub-coordinator of legislation, 2. Sub-coordinator of documentation and information, 3. Legal aid sub-coordinator, and 4. Administration of the legal section. There are 8 types of litter in Regional Secretariat of Magelang City. Namely, 1. Invitation letter, 2. Meeting letter, 3. Announcement letter, 4. Circular letter, 5. Application letter, 6. Regional grant agreement document, 7. PKS letter or cooperation agreement, and 8. Memorandum of understanding concept. The Regional Secretariat of Magelang City currently does not use technology in processing data receiving, whereas the agency has a very basic level of work, namely incoming and outgoing mail activities can reach approximately 10 liters. In addition, there are obstacles to the use of information technology that is not optimal, such as data archiving which is still done manual. This means that some parts of the letter are still stored in hard files stored in locker. This makes employee experience difficult and inefficient in calculating and recapitulating exacting document. Method in this study using 4 stages. The stages include problem identification, is the process of identifying and defining problems or challenges encountered in a particular situation or context. Identification that has been obtained in the Regional Secretariat of Magelang City is carried out by analyzing archive recording document, incoming and outgoing document from the 3 subcoordinator in the Regional Secretariat of Magelang City. Literature study. The literature study stack collects references related to reading books, journal, the internet, and other scientific articles related to data archiving information system. At this stage of the literature study, the writer looks of sorts of reference and information in the form of journal from previous research and the internet related to the research to be carried out. The theoretical data collection technique by reading books, proceeding, research journal, and reference from the internet and so on relate to the issues discussed. Observation and interview. Observation, namely making direct observation of relevant agency to obtain the data information need to develop and complete this research. The interview that was conducted was to visit the regional secretariat of Magelang City to ask how complicated administrative data manage was and what the feature the software system wanted from the regional secretariat itself. And system design. The system design states explain the general description to the user and the complete design of the system to be developed to the intent party. The states describe the UML Unified Modeling Language diagram process design. There are 5 UML diagram design that will be used in the design. Research result. One, identification problem. Based on the identification of problem regarding administrative problem that exist in the regional secretariat of Magelang City. Based on the identification of problem regarding administrative problem that exists in the center of Magelang City, which is conducted interview and observation with the several lists of questions found that archive record. Incoming and outgoing documents are still managed manually in the record book to be submitted to the head of section and then distributed by the operator and administration according to the disposition of the document. For mail management, it is still in the form of documents that are stored in print and then stored in a work locker. The lack of a document management process causes the possibility of data being lost. Sorry, I'm so sorry. The cooperation agreement and memorandum of understanding document known to approximately 60 document which made it impossible to record them manually. For document numbering, it has its own code for documents that are disposed to the destination and documents that are only stored as archive. Following are the main problem of data archive. Study literature. In the following, the author will provide and explain reference related to journal regarding data archiving in cities Indonesia. The first is the journal archive transformation in facing the digital age, 2020, read by Muhammad Fitri. The study describes archiving in the of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Digital archives are stored and transmitted in discrete form or in the form of binary code which can be opened, created, and deleted by means of computing that can read or process data in binary form so that they become digital archive. The second is the journal document archiving information system PT Sinergi Perkebunan Nusantara 2020, which is was written by Desi Santi. The study described at PT Nusantara Plantation Sinergi manage of incoming and outgoing document. And the three Liter Archive Information System Journal read by Muhammad Rizki Ashari. This study explained that employee of the Payakumbuh Ministry of Religion collect and process incoming and outgoing mail data using conventional method. In the three observation and interview, the interview that was conducted by the author by the subcoordinator of SEDA Legal Aid for the city of Magelang was to discuss and provide solution to the main problem in managing document and what were the obstacles that occur during the process of managing this document. The interview that was conducted by the subcoordinator of SEDA Legal Aid for the city of Magelang was to discuss provide solution to the main problem in managing document at where the obstacle that occur during the process of managing this document. There are several administrative categories in the SEDA of Kota Magelang city and what document will be entered into the system. The author also inquired about the meaning of the numbering of each type of document that has been managed and how many documents have been stored in this time, because this will be the main point in working on a document taking based web system in which tags are included for easy search of document required and what will be stored. Design system. The design of the system used in making this filing administration system is using the UML. System design stats provide confidence in designing system development. In this study, use several types of UML such as flowchart, use case diagram, entity relation diagram, sequence diagram, activity diagram, and class diagram. The flowchart start from the login page, the input username and password, the validate the user personal data, whether it is appropriate or not. If not appropriate, will return to the login page after entering personal data. You will enter the dashboard page to check or search for the document need. Filtering using document tagging is the main feature that will be used in system design. This is used to select document between invitation document, application document, or meeting document. And then they will be processed by the system and display according to the choice that have been determined. Use case diagram to get an overview to the system to be made is described in the use case diagram model as shown in the following figure. Use case diagrams are useful for knowing what function exists in a system and who has the right or may use this function. From the picture, it can be seen that there are two actors in running the system, namely admin and employee. Admin is the regular secretary. Its staff, IT, can insert cooperation agreement letter and manage letter on the website, while employee are staff from the legal documentation and information subcoordinator who can verify letter according to the type and condition, ratify cooperation agreement letter, arrange request letter. Entity relation diagram is an entity diagram that is used for planning a database and show relation between object or entity along attribute in detail. There are seven entities include archive identity, metadata, category, component, archive text, and partner. On the archive identity, there are six attributes included in document of agreement about information function, ID category, ID metadata. On the metadata, there are three attributes include I'm sorry, ID metadata, file size, and date. On the category entity, there is category and category name. On the component entity, There are three attributes include ID component, ID cooperation agreement document, and ID partner. On the archive text entity, there are three attributes include ID, ID text, and ID cooperation agreement. On the text entity, there are three attributes include text, text, and description. On the partner entity, there are four attributes include ID partner, name of partner, employee partner, address of partner. Sequence diagram. The following is a sequence diagram of system information data archiving at the Regional Secretary of Magelang City. Sequence diagram depict behavior actor use case diagram against use system start from logging to with input data. The sequence diagram flow start with the employee logging in and then entering the user and password. After accessing the employee can open the document menu and select a document using the tagging filter. Furthermore, employee can be open or download the required document. Activity diagram. The following is an activity diagram of the system information data receiving at regional secretary of Magelang City. Activity diagram describe workflow or activity from a system or business process. This diagram explains activity. System start from login, data validation, archive menu and data search using tagging feature. Activity diagram for describe user activity to the system. It start with the employee logging in and then display the dashboard. The system will feed and check the user and user password. If it is correct, it will continue to the document menu. If not, it will return checking the user and password. After entering the document menu, employee can access and select the desired document. Class diagram. The design system model class diagram and describe relation between table. In the class diagram, image show seven table that is table identity archive, categories, component, partner, metadata, archive tag, and tags. In the category table, partner table, tags table can add and edit data. In the metadata table, it only insert data. The component table only retrieves data from the identity table, and the archive only retrieves archive and tags. Conclusion. The conclusion of this research that administrative data receiving legal department of regional secretariat of Magelang City based on smart tag can be give a number of access or provide like confidence in search and data retrieval, reduction risk physical data loss that is no time managed improve efficiency in data managed. However, you also need to consider a number of challenges in application system filling, dislike maintenance system, training user system, and data security. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.